Hello, friends. Today I'll be talking about a modern tool for analysis that is TOWS matrix. It is based on the SWOT analysis. SWOT, that is strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Analysis, that is SWOT analysis, is a framework used to evaluate a company's competitive position and to develop strategic planning. TOWS matrix can be interpreted as a framework to assess, create, compare, and finally decide upon the business strategies. TOWS was published in a paper called the TOWS Matrix, a tool for situational analysis by Hans Weyrich in 1982. TOWS analysis is an extension of SWOT analysis framework that identifies your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, but then goes further in looking to match up the strengths with opportunities and the threats with weaknesses. A SWOT analysis helps assessing a company's current internal and external situation, but does not provide concrete strategic actions to take. One way to map out the strategic options a company has is by using the so-called TOWS matrix or TOWS analysis. By combining the external environment's opportunities and threats with internal organizations' strengths and weaknesses, management can come up with the four basic strategies to follow based on the situation it is in. The first situation is WT, that is mini strategy. WT situation. The company in this case has little development opportunities. It operates in the hostile environment and its potential for change is small. It does not have significant strengths which could withstand threats. The aim of the mini strategy is to minimize both weaknesses and threats. Mini strategy boils down to a pessimistic scenario such as the liquidation of a company, or in an optimistic situation to strive for survival by merging with another organization. The next situation is WO situation, weaknesses and opportunities situation, that is mini-maxi strategy. In this situation, the company has more vulnerabilities, that is weaknesses, but its environment provides plenty of opportunities to resolve that. The mini-maxi strategy attempts to minimize the weaknesses and to maximize the opportunities. The strategy should include the exploitation of these opportunities while reducing or correcting weaknesses within the organization. Outsourcing activities or acquiring another company with the right resources could be an option, for example. Next situation could be ST situation, maxi mini strategy. In this case, we see a strong company operating in a hostile environment. The aim of a maxi mini strategy is to maximize the strength of the company while minimizing the threats through these strengths. A company with strong financial capabilities and cost reducing skills could lower its prices to drive out competition. And the last situation is SO situation, maxi strategy. Any company would like to be in a position where it can maximize both strengths and opportunities. Such an enterprise can lead from strengths, utilizing its resources to take advantage of the opportunities the market is offering. Companies in this situation could think about expanding internationally or diversifying their product portfolio to boost revenues. For these growth opportunities, you might want to look at the well-known business growth framework. Now, by combining the external environments, opportunities, and threats with the internal organization strengths and weaknesses, management can come up with 4 basic strategies to follow based on the situation it is in. This situations, the main purpose of the TOWS analysis is to reduce threats, take advantage of opportunities, exploit strengths, remove weaknesses. The same theme could be shown by the diagram as shown on the slide displayed here. SO, that is use of internal strength to exploit external opportunities. ST, use of internal strength to avoid or minimize the impact of external threats. WO, overcoming internal weaknesses by exploiting external opportunities. And WT, overcoming internal weaknesses and minimizing external threats. Now there are certain advantages of TOWS matrix. It is simple to understand. It provides a good analysis of both internal and external issues. It focuses on the positive and negative. It leads to actions to improve your current position. Now there are certain limitations of TOWS matrix. They are, it can be too broad to be used to make decisions. It doesn't contain a way to weight the importance or the element of risk. It takes longer to complete than other frameworks. So that was you need to, one more limitation, you need a good knowledge of both internal and external issues to complete it. So that was about TOWS matrix or TOWS analysis. Thank you.